Hi everyone, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita, right here in my kitchen. Today I would like to share my fried chicken recipe with you. So come on, cook with Tita. Let's go through our ingredients. This is 2 packages of chicken. I already cleaned and drained as much as you can. Okay, and this is thigh. I would like to put this in a little larger bowl because we're going to mix this up in that larger bowl. Okay, we don't want that dripping, so that's good thing that we transfer that over here. Okay, anywho, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoon of salt. Now, if you have garlic salt, you can put 2 teaspoon of garlic salt. But if you don't have it, salt will do. And 2 teaspoon of garlic powder. We are going to put that in here to season our chicken. Okay? All right? And then, I have 3 eggs. Now, my eggs are little. You see this? They're very little. So, I use 3 eggs. Now, if you have large eggs, you only need 2 large eggs. Okay? If you have small eggs, use 3. The reason for this is to coat the chicken, to moist the chicken. Okay? So, now, we are going to crack the eggs now, one at a time. You know, if you know me, you know my reason for this. We don't want to crack the eggs or egg directly to our ingredients over here because we may find a bad eggs and you don't want to contaminate our chicken over here. All right, so there you go. See? Okay, so that's that. I have a piece of fresh ginger. Now, if you have powdered ginger, use 2 teaspoons. Okay, but I don't have it in hand and I have fresh one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and ground it into my chicken. About 2 teaspoons of fresh ground ginger. Okay, like that, like so. See, that's 2 teaspoons. Okay, so if you know me, I have food glove that I use when I make food like this. So let me get my food glove. All right, so we're gonna thoroughly mix this. Give your meat a little loving. What I mean by that, massage the the chicken, the meat. Okay, so that your ingredients would get into the meat. Okay, so now we thoroughly mix all the ingredients in there with the chicken. Let's put that aside. And now we're gonna pay attention to our coating for our chicken. Of course, we have to flavor our coating. I have over here 1 cup of potato starch. Now, if you don't have potato starch, you can use cornstarch. Okay? But you can find this at any Oriental store. 1 cup of that, we'll put it over here. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Put them over here. I have 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Put them over here. And then we're going to whisk these ingredients. This is where we're gonna dredge or coat our chicken. Okay? We all know that the flour and all that doesn't have flavor. You wanna really have a good flavor when you bite your chicken. Not only the meat would have a flavor, but also the coating, right? So With all that being said, now everything is ready. Let's start cooking. All right, now 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, I was preheating that while we were preparing our ingredients. So now if you don't have this thermometer, I'm sure you have a stick or chopstick or whatever. You just put them in there, and as soon as you put that in there, I don't know if you can say it, as soon as you put that in there, it would bubble like that. It means it's good. Okay, I'm going to put that in here like so. All right, and dredge it in there. Be sure that you coat all your meat or the chicken. Okay, and kind of shake it off. Be careful, see? It's really hot. Like that. Don't overcrowd your pot. Don't overlap the chicken. We're gonna put this timer to 5 minutes. Okay? Alright guys, 5 minutes done. So let's flip our meat now. Okay, let's flip our meat. Did I flip this one? Yeah, flip our meat. See how beautiful that is, guys? See how beautiful that is? Let me take one out for you to see this. So let's put 5 more minutes, and then we will check the meat, see if it's already well cooked. All right guys, another 5 minutes got done. We're gonna check our meat. Okay, like I said, I don't know how long it's gonna take for this meat, because not all meats are created equals, meaning that, you know, they could be small, they could be big. Okay, so I'm gonna poke my meat. Okay, chicken should be 160. Okay, poke it on the middle of the thing. Oh yeah, you see that? Okay, now if you don't have those, you just poke your meat in the middle. Okay, now see, I don't know if you can tell that the juice that came out when you poke it, it's nice and clear. It means your meat is done. Now if there is blood or things like that, it's not done yet. Now be sure to poke your meat in the middle. Okay, with all that being said, look at the meat that we have. We better take this out. We're blabbing too much. Oh my goodness guys, if you just have, you know, smell vision, you can really smell the herbs that we put in there. See, if you notice guys, okay, our chicken not burnt. This pieces right here, it took us 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes. All right, so I will show you how they all come out. Now remember to check your meat before you take them out, because like I said, not all meats are the same sizes. Okay, I will show you guys how it comes out. All right guys, we are done frying our fried chicken. Look how beautiful that looks. Okay, now I want to tell you something about, if you want to crunch up your skin, see that? When your meat already cooked, before you take it out, flip it into the skin side for about 2 to 3 minutes. It depends upon the size of your chicken. You have to watch it guys, because you don't want your meat to be overcooked or burnt. So that's how it looks guys. Very delicious. And oh my goodness, if you just have smelly vision guys, look at this. Listen. Oops. See, that's how crispy they are. So let me try it now. Oh, see how juicy that is, but not, see? Oh, you see that? Oh man, I'm drooling right now, but it's hot. Okay guys, I'm going to try this for you guys. Okay, but first let's try the skin, and I'm gonna let you hear it. I wish you can try it with me, but when you cook it, you can tell me how you like it, and also you can say I'm right, okay? Because listen, oh my goodness, crispy outside, all right, and juicy inside. You see what I'm saying? That's why I couldn't tell you enough to watch your fried chicken when you're cooking. This is how it is, guys. Delicious fried chicken. Enjoy my recipe, and I will see you again right here in my kitchen when you cook with Tita. Look at the juice. That's not all. That's the juice came out from the chicken, guys. Enjoy my recipe. Bon appetit. Bye, guys.